Find the number of terms in an AP given that its first and last terms are x and 37x respectively, and that its common difference is 4x. Solution. We have the first term from the question, first term, which is T1 equals to A, that's equals to X from the question. And also we're given the last term. Last term is same thing as Tn. And that's what? A plus n minus 1d. And that's equals to 37x. And we're given the common difference. The common difference, which is d. And that's equals to what? 4x. So in this case, we are going to use the second equation dealing with the last term. So now we have for the last term, we have a plus n minus 1d equals to 37x. So it means that anywhere we see a, we are going to replace it with x. And anywhere we see d, we replace it with what? 4x. Then this equals what? 37x. Now, the next thing to do is to expand the bracket. We now have x plus 4x times n, we have 4xn. Then from here we have n minus 1 times 4x. 4x times n, we have 4xn. Then 4x times minus 1, we have minus 4x. And this equals to 37x. The next thing is to collect the like terms. By collecting like terms, what are we going to have? 4xn will remain at the left. Then we move x to the right hand side. We have 37x minus x. Then minus 4x to the right, we have plus 4x. Now, it means that 4xn equals to what? 37 minus x, that is 36x, then plus 4x. It means that 4xn equals to what? 36x plus 4x. That will give us what? 40x. And don't forget, we want to find the value of n, which represent the numbers of terms, the number of terms in the AP. So for us to find the value of n, it means that we are going to divide both sides by the coefficient of n. What's the coefficient of n? That's 4x. So we divide both sides by 4x. So we have here 40x divided by 4x. 4x here 1, 4x here 1. Then n equals to what? X here 1, x here 1. 40 divided by 4, that will give us 10. So it means that the value of n equals to 10, which represent the numbers of 10 in the AP. Thank you.